Welcome to the channel. Today I'm revealing exactly how this system works and how to exploit it like a pro. This isn't just beginner advice, this is the blueprint. Let's begin. Amazon Flex isn't just deliver packages and get paid, it's just a game of strategy. Most drivers fail because they don't understand the algorithm. Here's the truth. Prime blocks, which normally takes 1 to 3 hours, shifts prioritizes drivers with 100% reliability ratings. The app tracks your speed, photo, accuracy, and return slip up. You'll see few high rating, high paying routes. Surge pricing isn't random. It's triggered by real-time demand spikes like rainy days or local events. Master this and you'll earn $35 per hour. So there are rules that you need to put in place in order for you to become a successful in this field. Never accept base pay. Wait for surges. They drop at 6:15 and 3:30 p.m. daily in most markets. Rule number 2, your car is a tax machine. Track every mile while off phone bills, car washes, even Spotify Premium. Avoid route bombs. If a station hands you 48 packages for 3-hour block, demand a reshuffle. They are testing your compliance. Ghost the app. Decline 1 or 2 blocks weekly to trigger high demand priority. The algorithm rewards scarcity. Now the ninja level taxes. I teach my private clients. Prime Now groceries. Tips can double your pay, but only if you deliver it in wealthy zip codes. Track them in gridwise. Instant offers. Enable these settings on demand. 25 to 50 flash deliveries. Perfect for filling gaps. The 10-minute buffer. Arrive late. Stations can't penalize you until 10 minutes past your block smart. Use this to grab the last minute surges. And finally, rent a cargo van. Amazon Excel routes. Pay $200 per block, but most drivers don't have the vehicle. Profit while they sleep. Amazon Flex isn't just a gig, it's a chessboard. Play it right and you'll out earn 95% of drivers. But remember, knowledge without action is entertainment. Download the app now, apply these rules, smash like, subscribe, and when you'll be pulling $1,000 per week, come back and thank me. See you on the next video.